Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Indian Advanced Research Center for Powder Metrology and New Material, that is ARCI. Okay, when you will go here, so you can see one direct walk-in interview update is here for the research fellowship and project staff positions. Last date for submission of online applications is 24th November 2024. So this is a direct walk-in interview. Look at here. So selection process for the RA Research Associate JRF SRF project staff will be based on the walk-in personal interview for shortlisted candidates. Okay. Registration for JRF SRF for external PhD program, they mentioned about this also. So what is the requirement? BTech. So based on the performance of the candidates, the selected candidates for junior research and senior research fellowship shall also be encouraged to register for a PhD program with one of the reputed institute, that is IITs, NITs, so Central University of Hyderabad, with which ARCI has a tie-up. Okay, so this option is also available for the selected candidates. All right, so now let's have a detailed discussion. So details of fellowship or project staff research associate 1, number of post 3, upper age limit 35 year, tenure of project will be 1 to 3 year, place of posting will be either Hyderabad or Chennai. So stipend will be there fixed for 58,000 plus HRA per month as applicable. Okay, they mentioned 2 posts at the Hyderabad and 1 post at the Chennai, and walk-in interview will be there on the 30th November. What is the essential qualification? PhD or equivalent degree or having 3 years of research, teaching and design development after ME MTech is required. If you are having PhD or ME MTech plus 3 year experience is required here. Okay, so this is not for the freshers or not for the engineers. First means for the BE Tech graduate. Second one is junior research fellowship JRF, number of vacancies 20, upper age limit 28 year, fixed stipend 37,000 per month. Posting can be Hyderabad or Chennai, 18 post and 20 post. They mention walk-in will be on 5th and 6th December. What is the requirement? You should have BE Tech or MEM Tech or equivalent. If you are going with the in which branches? Metrology, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering. Plus, if you will go with the BE Tech, then you should have a valid GET scorecard also, they mention here clearly. Okay, and here the selection process through GET scorecard is also there. Okay, then for the SRF senior research fellowship, number of vacancies 2, you should have same qualification plus 2 year experience. So in the JRF, no experience is required. BE Tech student with the GET qualify, you can apply here. Okay, in this case you will get the stipend also, and as I told you, here you are having option for BE Tech students. You are having option while going for the GRF or SRF, you are having option for registering with the PhD program also at IITs, NITs or Central University of Hyderabad. So that is surely a good option. Okay, now let's come to the next one. Walk-in is there. Now next is the project associate 1, number of vacancy 2, upper age limit 35 year, tenure of project 1 to 3 year. Hyderabad is there 31,000 or 25,000 plus HRA. Okay, so they mentioned this one 35,000 plus HRA to scholars who are selected through GATE or selection process through national. They mention about this one also. Essential qualification is masters BE Tech in metallurgy, materials engineering, chemical, electrical, triple EC, energy engineering, nanotechnology required. But in this case, work experience is required. Shall have experience in the field of fabrication. So they mention work experience is also required for the project associate. Okay. So they mentioned the details. Walk-in is there directly on the 10th December. Then similarly, project associate 2, number of vacancies 4, stipend 35,000 or 28,000 plus HRA per month as applicable. They mention what is the details here. 1 to 3 year will be the tenure. Here again, BE Tech is required with the work experience is minimum. Okay. So walk-in interview will be there again on the 10th December. So you can see all these details are available. Project technical assistant for the diploma students. Okay, and walk-in interview, they mentioned the number of posts, date of walk-in interview, reporting time, and walk-in interview venue also they mentioned, dear students. Okay, for more details you need to go to this website www.arci.res.in/careers, and you can just go there. Screening, shortlisting and the selection process based on the details provided by them in their online application. Mode of selection is selection for the post of research associate 1. Candidate for the research associate means PhD. If I'm talking about JRF, so candidates who have completed the course and awarded degree in B.Tech or equivalent and having valid GATE score are only eligible, first of all. Then they will shortlisting, they will do the shortlisting on the basis of the valid GATE scorecard plus mark is whatever the marks you are having in your graduation, and that basis plus records experience whatever is required, on that basis they will directly give you the opportunity to work there. Okay, that's why this is a direct walk-in. Okay, place of posting they mentioned, tenure is also they mentioned. So for more details you can see what are the general conditions and you can apply. If you think you want to apply, you can apply, but the last date is 24th November. Before that you can apply. For more details you can check directly this PDF also. Thank you.